If your weeknight dinners usually end with greasy takeout, unevenly cooked frozen food, or spending way too much time waiting for the oven to preheat, you're definitely not alone. Air fryers promise to make cooking faster and healthier, but not all of them deliver consistent results. So, is the Cosori 12-in-1 air fryer one of the few that's actually worth buying? Let's take a closer look. The Cosori 12-in-1 air fryer is designed for busy families, home cooks, students, and anyone looking for a quicker, more convenient way to prepare everyday meals. With a generous 5.8 core capacity and multiple cooking functions, it aims to replace several kitchen appliances while making healthier cooking easier. If you're interested in checking it out, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the Cosori makes a strong impression with its clean, modern design. The matte finish gives it a premium look without feeling overly flashy, and the square basket makes much better use of space than many round baskets. That extra room means you can fit larger portions, including a whole 5-pound chicken or enough fries and chicken wings for a family dinner. The basket slides in and out smoothly, and despite the generous capacity, the appliance doesn't dominate your entire countertop. One feature that quickly stands out is how customizable the controls are. Instead of relying only on factory presets, you can save your own preferred cooking times and temperatures for recipes you make regularly. That's especially useful if you've perfected your favorite chicken wings or roasted vegetables and don't want to reset the temperature every time. The optional shake reminder is another thoughtful addition. It reminds you when it's time to flip or shake food for more even cooking, but if you don't need it, you can easily turn it off. Performance is where the Cosori really earns its reputation. Thanks to AdaptIQ technology and rapid 360-degree air circulation, the fryer heats up quickly and cooks food evenly with very little oil. Frozen fries come out crispy on the outside and fluffy inside. Chicken develops a nicely brown exterior while staying juicy, and vegetables roast evenly without becoming soggy. The fast preheating also means you spend less time waiting compared to using a conventional oven, making it especially useful on busy weeknights. The 12 cooking functions make the appliance surprisingly versatile. Beyond air frying, it can bake, toast, cook steak, seafood, bacon, vegetables, frozen foods, and much more. The keep warm function is especially helpful when family members are eating at different times, while the preheat option helps ensure more consistent cooking results. Instead of cluttering your kitchen with multiple small appliances, this air fryer covers a wide range of everyday cooking tasks. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. The nonstick square basket releases food easily, and because it's dishwasher-safe, cleanup takes very little effort after dinner. Even when cooking foods that tend to leave behind grease, a quick rinse or dishwasher cycle usually gets everything clean without scrubbing. That convenience makes it much easier to use the appliance regularly instead of saving it only for special occasions. Of course, no product is perfect. While the 5.8 quart basket comfortably serves 3 to 5 people, larger families preparing multiple dishes at once may eventually prefer a dual basket air fryer. Like most air fryers, overcrowding the basket can reduce crispiness, so cooking in smaller batches still produces the best results. Also, while the presets are convenient, you'll likely fine-tune cooking times based on your personal preferences after a few uses. Compared with similarly priced air fryers from Ninja, Instant, and Philips, the Cosori stands out because of its user-friendly interface, customizable cooking presets, reliable cooking consistency, and spacious square basket. Premium competitors may offer extra smart features or dual-zone cooking, but for most households, the Cosori delivers an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and value without unnecessary complexity. Overall, the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer 5.8 quart is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to simplify meal preparation while enjoying crispy, flavorful food with less oil. It's especially well suited for busy families, couples, meal preppers, and first-time air fryer owners who want dependable performance without a steep learning curve. If you're ready to spend less time cooking and more time enjoying your meals, the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if this review helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.